you're able to put out a lot of videos now, and you're saying you don't like blogging and writing, I assume. So you should have probably some system set up to actually record those videos, right? Do you have someone making scripts for you, or like what's the system?
So this is a mistake one time I did to Yuri. I showed Yuri a few years ago is that okay. Do you know what the mistake was? Everybody doing 5-6 years ago in a tutorial niche, everybody was editing videos. Biggest mistake people did. What I showed Yuri is that what if you can do everything on one take? What if you can learn how to do everything one take? And I was like, I was exercising this one skill to do everything one take. And then I stopped having all the scripts and everything. I don't edit any videos. I do everything one take. And that's why I'm just playing on different level because everybody's editing videos. I don't do. Because the thing is that people edit videos because they have the perfectionism in mindset that they have to be in some kind of like level. But what if the market doesn't care at all? What if in a search-based content, the people just care about the answer for the information? Therefore, it doesn't really matter if you edit videos, if you add there, the intro and stuff like that, the edits. If it's like, if you want to compete, like let's say you're going to make Shopify tutorial, you have to have it. Of course, when there is going to be high competition, you need to go with a higher quality. But if you don't have high competition, you can go lower quality because you're still going to get the views and you can just put out more videos. Another thing is that there is, in my perspective, like 3 kind of roles that I have to play doing the YouTube videos. First thing is some kind of like a leader that is presenting what I want to achieve, what I want to build. Okay, let's go. I'm going to make these kind of channels and videos. Then what I have to do, I have the manager within me that I'm going to set up the processes. So in the evening, what kind of videos I want to do? I do the research, standard with YouTube. And just like the more I do it, the better I'm better that I can like literally just find 50, 70 keywords matter of hour. I just like really speed up the process. And then there is a working within me that in the morning when I work out for the next 6-7 hours, I don't use the manager. I don't use the leader within me. I just work. And that's what I do. Is that this is my kind of process, is that when I'm working, I'm not thinking about how I want to build it. I'm not thinking about what I'm going to do tomorrow. I just focus on the one thing at a time. And this is the primary thing, is that many times we have all these things that we want to do, is that we want to build. But what works for me is that I just focus on the next video and the next video and the next video. And you will see 2 hours later, you just accomplish much more comparing to few days when, okay, I'm going to make 2 videos, but yeah, right now I'm going to check WhatsApp or YouTube. And this is the thing, is that another tip for everybody, this was also like huge for me, and I'm still fighting with this, is that let's say after 10, 15 videos that I make, I feel a little bit like when you have a machine gun, and then it's going to overheat.
Reload. Oh, and
you need to like a little bit of relaxation. So what I'm start doing is that I can't touch phone or anything like that because I perceive that's a relaxation, but it's not relaxation at all. It's again, the mind is going to work, but different part is like, again, consume. Therefore, I go to garden, and on the barefoot, I just walk on the garden, right? Left and right on the sun a little bit. And then 10 minutes later, I can go again. So these are the tips and tricks, but it took me years to figure it out. Is that it wasn't fun because I was struggling a lot.
Yeah.
But so
you got it nailed down. You're like a machine now almost. You have like multiple roles in you and tuck.
Yeah, and then another thing is that the last thing that came to my mind, you have to put up boundaries, not even to yourself, but to other people. This is really important to your girlfriend, my kids, in the future, whoever, if you got girlfriend, they need to know that right now I'm working. They need to respect that. And also they will be the people will try to consume from your, like the attention is everything, the focus is everything. And let's say my mom is going to call me at like 10 a.m. I mean, she needs to know that I'm working right now. But you make videos, you're not in the office or job. Who cares? Like, this is my boundary. So the boundaries are way, way important.